This green part shows my roses are completely okay. I bought them late autumn and storage over here. So looks like they are okay, at least 2 of them. Because you see this green part, this is alive. And this one I don't know yet. This is green one, but not sure which one. This one or this one. I have 3 of them over here. Different varieties. I will cut down all these trees over here and this one too, because another way they give shade for my veggies, for my veggies garden. So this is reason why I take them down. I like to have full sunshine for my growing area. And this one was like like dragon with several heads or several big branches. Here is 2 left. I believe I can do them, take them down myself, because even if they are not falling exactly where I want, they will go in safe direction. Little bit different stories with this one. Maybe I ask my neighbor to help me, because if this going wrong, this will go directly to my building and it's not good at all. Or another option, I will climb up and try to start little bit further, then it will be more light and doesn't fall so far. I see. Today I am tired because I helped my son and we made lot of fire trees. It's what looks like self-sufficient. Oh, Jesus, I can't say it. In any case, if you want to manage with all your needs, you need prepare your firewood, and it's demanding.